What's this one?
Ooh, I don't know. Not very many people here today.
No.
Do they have any lead liners or no? 3?
You mean the kids
Yeah.
lead line?
Yeah.
Oh.
No. They had the kids doing the
walk trot,
walk
right,
trot, and then they did the in hand with the adult, and then they went right to this.
Right. Huh. Blake wants to show, and I'm like, there's not going to be anybody there.
Yeah.
He's showing me the ropes.
Excellent. So we have visions to come. Right? Show them this is what we're going for.
That's right.
Okay, class number 17. Long stirrup pleasure walk trot number 2. Judged as same as the class previous, but may be asked to perform a simple task.
In English, what did she say?
What?
In English, what did she say?
She said that it's judged on pleasure, same as the last class,
Okay.
except she might be asked to do figure 8. She
Oh,
might be
okay.
asked to do extended trot or extended jog in her case. That's great that they read it to you, because usually I'm like, what does it say in the book?
Hold, please. Hold. Got that one. Stand up. Walk on, please. All walk. Reverse and walk. Reverse and walk.
Where's Charlie today?
She's not coming today.
Oh.
She's had a couple of stressful days, so she's going to take it easy today. Mike's home.
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
Hi, Molly.
Hi. Miss Mary like your new pants?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about your new boots? Did she like new boots?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're cute.
Oh. Whoops, don't lose your quarter.
Like this quarter might make $1. These just make 45 cents.
Where's the little one?
At home with Daddy. We drug him around to the outlets yesterday, and he was not a happy camper.
I can get closer from the field.
Ready to go riding?
Ready.
I think Graham's walking up now. We'll go after this concert.
You feel it to me?
What's somebody looking at me, Mommy?
Who's looking at you?
A girl. that their house?
That's the Meadows house, yes.
They live there?
Yeah.
There's a male people?
You guys.
I can take this.
Hey.
I'm on the right side. Yeah, exactly. And she says, you know, we could bring Tommy to our show. Now we're going to bring Dixie. She's 7.
We're gonna bring Dixie.
Especially up here with the trailers coming in now. Yeah. I would drive to here. Now I had one that was supposed to come out to the last show here.
Oh, yeah.
We really tried. She wore me down.
They're gonna get their ribbons.
I don't usually get beat, and I was like, I just have to leave.
After that long, too. It's like,
I said pull the fence over so there's no cut stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, the first,
That's
we
fine.
got her on the
Can
tail.
you do that?
Took her around the block, pulled her off, and then it only took like 10 minutes to get her back on. So it's not like
I was gonna do that, but then I thought they would ride up because he doesn't have dog straps on there.
he'll be fine. Give her a mild train.
right, exactly.
You ready? I think you're ready.
Yeah, he's ready. Let's go ride.
All right. So Chris,